Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the hands-free feature on Instagram stories. Let's open the app. Then to go into Instagram stories, as you may know, you simply swipe your screen to the right, or you can select your story at the top. And then to use hands-free now, you click on the arrow pointing down in the left hand and select hands-free. I'm going to close that, and then you'll simply press down on it for a bit, and then you'll see a countdown start. And normally this will last for a minute. It will be recording for a minute, and to stop it, you'll simply press back the button for it to stop. But if you don't stop it, it will record for the whole minute. And then from there you can edit it if you would like and add effects or so on, and simply press send afterward. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.